The Karan Johar Kartik Aryan Rao has a brand new player. No points for guessing, it's Kangana Ranaut. This after Karan Johar's Dharma Productions issued an official statement saying that they have maintained a dignified silence so far, but now it's official that they will be recasting for Dostana 2 directed by Colin D'Cunha. Colin has served as a first AD on films like Sanju and Secret Superstar. Now, Dostana 2, his big directorial debut, is in a limbo after the news of Kartik Aaryan being fired by Karan Johar due to his unprofessional behavior after the shooting of almost 20 days had already been completed. Now, Kangana has seized the opportunity to get back at KJO once again and compared Kartik Aaryan with Sushant Singh Rajput. In a series of tweets supporting Kartik, Kangana said, "Know that we are with you. The one who did not make you can't break you either. Today you must be feeling lonely and targeted from all corners. No need to feel so. Everyone knows this drama queen Joe. You will do very well, dear. Trust your instincts and be disciplined. Much love." She further said, "Kartik, no need to be scared of these chillers. After doing nasty articles and releasing announcements blaming only your attitude for the fallout, this moron wants to maintain dignified silence. They spread same stories of drug addiction and unprofessional behavior for SSR also." And her last tweet read, "Kartik has come this far on his own. On his own, he will continue to do so. Only request to Papa Joe and his Nepo Gang club is please leave him alone. Like Sushant, don't go after him and force him to hang himself. Leave him alone, you vultures. Get lost, chindi Nepos." But Kangana's sudden show of support for Kartik hasn't really gone down well with the SSRians. Her tweets may have received around 14,000 likes, but a lot of SSRians and Twitter users have pointed out how Kangana has conveniently changed her stance from calling Sushant Singh's death a clear murder in August last year to now saying that he hanged himself. Surprisingly, even Kartik Aaryan himself hasn't responded to Kangana's show of support for him against Karan Johar. But what are your thoughts on this latest story of Bollywood? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. We can chat on Instagram. My ID is @reviewron. Of course, I would love if you subscribe here and show that you care. But even if you don't, thank you so much for watching and take care of yourself.